Welcome to online classes, student. Today we are going to start a new chapter, chapter 9, Indian Revolutionaries. So today we are going to learn some prominent faces of freedom fighters, right? They known as real freedom fighters. So the pictures are given to us in this picture and some sentences or quotes are written there and we have to recognize them and their names also here. So let's start with these lines. India is the largest democracy in the world. We all know that we are the largest democracy in the world. It was long after long years of struggle that India became an independent nation in 1947. The story of India's freedom from the British rule is a story of heroic deeds of freedom fighters who gave up their lives for their motherland. Identify the freedom fighters with the help of these clues and information which is given to us, right? This information given to us, the picture of that person is given to us, the freedom fighter, and we have to recognize them, right? So with the help of that we will identify the freedom fighter. So let's start with the first one. His famous declaration, Swaraj is my birthright and I shall have it, inspired future revolutionaries during India's struggle against the British rule. Unfortunately, he did not live to see an independent India. He died on August 1, 1920, right? So, this man given the slogan for us, right? Declaration that Swaraj is my birthright and I shall have it, right? So, his name is Bal Gangadhar Tilak. Yes, this one we have to. This one is first. Please mark as 1. Gangadhar Tilak ji. Right. Now come to next. Second one. We can see here the picture of freedom fighter. So let's start. He was an Indian soldier. He played a prominent role in incident before the uprising of 1857, which is famously known as the Indian Rebellion of 1857. Spy Munti, or India's first war of independence. He died on April 8, 1857 in Barakpur, West Bengal. Always remember this one. India Rebellion of 1857. The 1857 revolution known as on the name of Mangal Pandey. Who's that? Mangal Pandey. Okay, next third. Picture is here. He was a revolutionary and popularly known as Punjab Kesari. He was an extreme member of the national extremist. Sorry, here I think there is extremist. Right. Member of the Indian National Congress, he along with the Bal Gangadhar Tilak and Bal Chandrapal, Bipin Chandrapal, has sacrificed his life for the country. The trio was collectively known as Lal Bal Pal. Lal Bal Pal, which means Bal Gangadhar Tilak and Bipin Chandrapal ji, and this freedom fighter is Lala Lajpat Rai. Lala Lajpat Rai ji. That's why it's called Bal, Pal or Lal, right? So come to fourth one. He was a prominent leader, nationalist and popularly known as Netaji. He sought the help of Nazi Germany and Japan to free India from the clutches of the British rule during World War II. Who is this? This is Subhash Chandra Bose. Yes, this one. Subhash Chandra Bose. Yes, you can write here 4. Come to next, fifth one. He was one of the youngest fighter in the Indian freedom struggle. His entire family fought against the British Raj. Right. One of the youngest fighter. Who is this? Bhagat Singh. Yes, you can write here. Where is Bhagat Singh? Here, the fifth one. Right. So the 5 freedom fighter given here: Bal Gangadhar Tilak ji, Mangal Pandey, Lala Lajpat Rai, Subhash Chandra Bose, Bhagat Singh. Okay. So this is one fact given to us. Did you know the first war of independence, or North India's first struggle for independence, started on 10th May 1857 in Meerut, right? So here is help box. You have to take names from this and you have to fill up in this, fill in the blanks. So this is the chapter of today: revolutionaries, the freedom fighters of India who struggle for Swaraj, for their birthright, right, for the freedom. Thank you, students.